Hi friends, you're now joined with another video from the Dreamframe AI channel. Here I am today to tell you about the Whisk AI tool. Whisk is an AI image generator created by Google. By using it, you can type a simple text prompt and generate high-quality images related to that prompt. What you're seeing here are the images and animations created using this. So let's see how to generate images using this. You can go to Google and search Whisk AI, then click on the first link that appears to access the tool. Now I'll show you how it works. Just type a simple prompt here, click it, and the image will be generated. All right, I gave a small prompt like this. Now I'm going to generate an image using that prompt from here. We can change the aspect ratio of the image as well, so I'll select the 1:1 option from here. Okay, now I'm sending it. Let's see what kind of image this tool generates for us. Wow, 2 amazing photos have been created. All right, now I'll show step by step how the character made in the first image is added to the second photo. All right, so I think you might have gotten an idea of what kind of things you can do with this tool. If you liked the video, make sure to leave a like. And if you're interested in learning more about AI tools like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.